Are you ready for a little holiday glow up? Let's go from this to this. What do you think? If only it were that easy. Stay tuned. I'll show you how I went from my daytime look to a fun, glamorous, glowy glow up look for the evening. All right, so you just got home from work or you're just finishing up work and it's time for a holiday party. How are you gonna fancy up your look so that you feel just a little bit extra for the holidays? To make sure that you add just a little bit more blush to your cheeks. And one of my favorites is, where is it? This is Gifted. It came in our mini collection. I like this one because it just adds that little extra rosiness to your cheeks, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So I like to add just a little more pop to your cheek. That makes such a difference, doesn't it? Just a little brighter. And then one of the big things is to make sure you add shine. So a little bit of extra, shimmer and shine is always good. My favorite way to do that is with the pearlizer, which I'll show you. When you blend that out, see how it gives you this really pretty shine? It's similar to our foundations, but a lot thinner, and it has that extra shine. So I actually put it on first and then put my tinted moisturizer over it this morning. This is still from this morning, but I want to add a little extra shimmer. So I'm just going to go in. This is all anti-aging clean skincare in our color products. So that just gives a little shine, and you want to keep it right on the tops of your cheekbone. So let's get that on there. Bring it back to right behind your eye. You want to have this area shiny just on top of your cheekbone to just give you that little bit of glow. Maybe you need a little more on the tip of your nose and your Cupid's bow. And then the other place you could add it is from your arch of your brow outward, just a little. You don't want too much there, especially if you have hooded eyes, because it can then accentuate your eyes. Your hood is what I meant. All right, so that's pearlizer. Awesome. We've got blush and a little pearlizer. The other thing I would do is go in with maybe a little bit deeper shadow. So today I just had on 2 shadows. I had a light one on my lid and a medium tone across my brow and my brow bone and up just a little bit, right? With hooded eyes, you want to make sure you can see that. Well, now I'm going to take a third color, and because it's going to be an evening, we're going to take it under my eyes and then out a little on the corner. Rest your eyes so you don't get in the wrong spot, and bring it up. Just a dot there, and then let's just blend it. So we're going to take underneath and blend and then pat. The patting motion is awesome because it just adds on top of, you're not rubbing off what's already there. You're just patting it. And I love these cream to powders because they do stay all day, right? This is from this morning. And then I'm just patting a new color on top. So now I have 3 colors on my eye. Look how it opens my eye up and gives it a little more drama. That's easy to do. And this lasts all day without creasing. Why not get anti-aging everything? If you're going to put it on your face, it might as well be good for you, right? So I drew underneath and brought it up and out just a little. Then relaxing my eye, I'm going to do a little dot up here so I know how high I want that to go. This color I'm using right now is like caramelized shimmer. Caramelized shimmer. I think that's what it's called. So it's just a little bit darker, not a real dark brown, just a little darker. And then I'm just blending that. There you go. And I've already got my my mascara on. Of course, that stays all day without smudging. All right, now I have a little more drama to my eyes, keeping it up so you can see it here. With my hooded eyes, you can see that darker color right above my crease. Okay. Then we can take and do lips. Lips are really important. That's really what makes your look. So a couple options. Number 1, if you want to go bold and go red, you got to get your red in. This one happens to be Fly Girl. Love it. I would just use a clear gloss or even the matte, satin matte gloss with it. Or if you like a lighter color, maybe you went really crazy on your eyes, do a lighter neutral color with a fun glittery gloss. This is Lip Sense, so 3 thin coats. I should just do this, right? All right. I'll show you the red on my hand, but I'll just do one color. And ladies, make sure you go on the outside of your lip line. You can use the tip of this like a pencil liner just to draw your line. Most of the time we tend to not get all the way on the outside of our lips. This is Praline Rose, just a very neutral shade. Right, just right on the outside of your lip. If you really want drama, do a little bit darker shade than what you're going to wear as a liner. There you go. That's 3 coats. I'm going to let that dry for a second or two and add in our sparkly gloss. This is my favorite. This is Red Glitter Gloss. I love it. Oh, so pretty. Isn't that nice? It's not like glittery. It just gives you a really pretty shimmer. So I think it's time to like get on the jewelry and the quick change. What do you think? But before we do that, this is the Glowify spray. It actually comes in 2 shades. I'm almost out. This one's called Champagne Shimmer and this is bronze. We're going bronze today. What do you think? So this is an all over shimmer for your shoulders, your face. And you just spray it on. Doesn't damage your clothing. It's a refresher. It's hydrating for your skin. It smells like grapefruit. Smells amazing. Wait for the final product. Let's go for it. I mean, if we're going to go out for the holidays, we got to go all out. What do you think? So I've got on my, just a little extra for my bracelet. I put my hair up. That's easy. And then add a little jewelry. Now, of course, my shoulders are showing. So what do you think? We need a little extra spray. Oh, I love this. This is such a great product. I mean, you can't have too much glow, right? So there you go. I'm ready for the holidays.